Hello everyone, I'm Kashish Beriwal and today I'll be guiding you on an exclusive walkthrough of Godrej Reserve at Kandivali East by Godrej Properties. Right here is the actual premium tower which will be rising soon, and here's our sales office. Let's have a look inside. Our prime location offers the best connectivity. Just 2 minutes away from the railway station, 2 minutes away from both the metro station, that is Poisar and Akurli. Not just that, this project is right next to the Western Express Highway, ensuring easy access to every part of the city. This project is spread across 18.6 acres of land parcel, where we are developing 6 premium high-rise towers, 1 to 6, each having G+7 levels of podium parking and 51 habitual floors, along with which we are offering 2 acres of private garden on both the sides. Not only that, we also define tropical oases, green acres, spring terraces and forestry tree, where every moment is a breath of fresh air. Talking about the amenities, we have a lot to tell you about. We have kids pool, we have Olympic pool, we have lounge area, we have banquet area and whatnot. And this here is our premium elevation I was talking about. Let's now have a look at the sample flat. We are offering 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Right now we will have a look at our 1471 square feet sample flat, which is our 3 BHK, and we are offering 2000 plus square feet in our 4 BHK. Right before you enter your sample flat, you have a servant room with an attached washroom towards your right side. And this is our main sample flat. This is your foyer space. Towards your right, you have your kitchen, which is 88 square feet and parallel platforms along with the utility area. The main USP of this kitchen is that you can always customize a door over here so that it is connected towards your servant room. This is our L-shaped living area, which is 330 square feet, where the floor to ceiling height is 9.8 feet. Coming forward, we have our 60 square feet private deck from where you will have the mesmerizing city view. So you can enjoy your sunrise and sunset. Moving along, this is your powder washroom, which we are going to provide with the same fittings and the same tilings. Coming forward, we have our first master bedroom. Also, I should mention that all the bedrooms here are the master bedrooms. This is our first master bedroom, which is 156 square feet, where you have enough wardrobe space and an attached washroom. The surprise is here. This is our second master bedroom, which is the biggest master bedroom of this flat. This is 236 square feet. This is your free space, which you can actually decorate as per your choice. This is your attached washroom. As you come inside, this is your wardrobe space, and you can see that after putting the bed, you have enough space from both the sides. Coming along towards our third master bedroom, which is again 156 square feet, with a full-size French window and wardrobe space and an attached washroom. So now you know that all the bedrooms are master bedrooms. So what are you waiting for? Call us on the given number now.